All right, so looking at Amazon over the past month, we had a high of almost $135 and we trended all the way down to about 8% loss at 124, 123. Now you can clearly see that there's starting to be a change of direction. So let me just map that out for you real quick so you can see it. And Amazon is starting to show signs of support, but it has to break out of that trend line. So right now it pulled back here. And if it breaks 123, what I'm looking for is a more long-term play. And I'm not looking to buy at these levels. So let me just show you what I see real quick. I want Amazon in the 108 to 110 area. And I'm going to make this nice and blue so we can see it. You have support in this 123, 123, 123, and then where does it pop? 123. So if Amazon can break out from here, we can start making our way back up to the 140s. But let's scroll a little bit out, 6-month chart, and what do you see? You have support all in this area around the 123 to 125 range, 126. That Amazon is holding it right now, but what I want when you're buying Amazon long term, I'm not trying to buy at these high levels. I'll just be patient and wait. I'll dollar cost average into my index funds in the meantime. I try not to buy stocks for long term unless I see significant pullbacks. I want to see Amazon in the 110 area, the 100 to 110 area, because where do I see consolidation? I see it all in this area right here. Let's move that up a little bit. So right in this area right here, which is 100 to 110. So let me just draw a horizontal to make it a little easier for you guys to see. But look at this area right here. This is where you want it, in this area. I don't want to buy Amazon up here. It could keep going up, who knows? But let's just look at the 5-year chart. All the way up from 188. We're still bullish. I mean, we're still moving forward here. We've trucked out. We have a nice healthy pullback. We'll see what it does. It has to hold this 120 range. But if you're going to buy long term, I wouldn't be so eager to buy right now. Amazon could be on sale, but who knows? This is a nice pullback and maybe makes its leg up. But we don't really know. We have December coming where people are going to start selling their stocks, taking profits, because there were some people that were very smart and they were buying at the 100 level, 90 to 100 level down here. And they're going to take their profits by the end of the year in December. So we still might get a nice sell-off, which is what I'm waiting for. Anytime Amazon's near 100 to 110, I'm pretty much a buyer. And as long as I'm in that range, I'm happy with it. Now, Amazon had a nice move all the way from 123 up to 127. But year to date, it's still up. I mean, it was at that low of $81 all the way up to 146, which is a 75% return. And now that it's at 125, it's still a 50% return. So the smart buyers are down here in the 80s to 90s. So you just got to be patient. I wouldn't be buying anything on Amazon right now. I would just wait. What I want to see is I want to see this level break. I want to see 123 break. And then let's start trending down, which would be beautiful because now our long-term entries can start getting entries. But we want to enter around here or this consolidation area right here, the 101, even as high as up to 110 would be fine. 110 to 100, we start making our entries in. So we still have to wait for Amazon to pull back at least 13 to about 15% to start making our entries. So that's where I am with Amazon. I'm just going to wait. I still want a 13 to 15% retracement, and then they can start taking my money, and I'll start building a nice bag with Amazon. And then we'll just hold on to them. It's one of those growth stocks that you want to buy when it's on sale. Not just because you get a pullback here, but it's showing weakness. You can almost see a head and shoulders here. Let's just take a quick look at this. Right here's the head, and here is the first shoulder, right here. And then here is the second shoulder, which is a lower low. And now we just need the retracement to come down here to the 110 area. And that's what we're looking for. Head, shoulder, and then shoulder. So hopefully we get that nice red coming down into the 110 area, right into the support area. And that's where we start making our entries because you have support here, support here, 108 and 110. And then we start buying for that nice move back up from 110 back up to 140s. Try to make like a 28, 25% return. So that's what I'm looking at Amazon, being patient. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging into my index funds in the meantime while I wait for Amazon.